Welcome to Fresh Thinking School of Brain Science. The title of today's masterclass is The Brain's Symphony: How to Orchestrate Thought, Feeling, and Action. The human brain, a 3-pound marvel of nature, is a symphony of unparalleled complexity. It orchestrates a breathtaking performance, seamlessly weaving together thought, feeling, and action. It is the conductor of our consciousness, the composer of our emotions, and the choreographer of our movements. Within its intricate neural networks, billions of neurons fire in harmony, creating a symphony of electrical impulses that give rise to the rich tapestry of our human experience. Imagine this symphony as a vibrant painting, each brushstroke representing a thought, a feeling, or action. This symphony is not a mere cacophony of random notes, but a meticulously composed masterpiece. Each brain region plays a distinct instrument, contributing its unique melody to the grand composition. The prefrontal cortex, our rational maestro, guides decision making and planning. The limbic system, our emotional assembly, paints our world with vibrant hues of joy, sorrow, fear, and love. The motor cortex, our agile dancer, translates thought into purposeful movement. In this, the Brain Symphony Masterclass, I will delve into the remarkable mechanisms that underpin our thoughts, emotions, and actions. We will uncover the intricate neural pathways that connect different brain regions, allowing them to communicate and collaborate in perfect synchrony. We will witness how the brain learns, adapts, and creates constantly evolving thought throughout our lives, a testament to its incredible adaptability and dynamic nature. Here are 7 pillars that capture the essence of the brain symphony: orchestrating thought, feeling, and action, along with grief and brief explanations. The first pillar that captures the essence of the brain symphony: orchestrating thought, feeling, and action. The conductor's baton is the prefrontal cortex. Imagine the prefrontal cortex, the brain's seasoned CEO, orchestrating a complex symphony of thoughts and actions. It's the executive command center, meticulously planning every move, weighing options, and making critical decisions, like a skilled conductor gilding a harmonious orchestra. This brain region ensures that our thoughts and actions align with our goals and values, but its influence extends far beyond just decision making. The prefrontal cortex is also the guardian of impulse control, reining in our immediate desires and urges. The voice of reason whispers, "Think before you act," preventing us from making rash or impulsive choices. This brain region's ability to balance long-term planning with short-term gratification is essential for navigating life's complexities. The conductor ensures our actions are purposeful, our decisions are sound, and our impulses are kept in check, ultimately leading us towards a more fulfilling and harmonious existence. The second pillar that captures the essence of the brain's symphony, orchestrating thought, feeling, and action. The conductor's baton is the emotional assembly, the limbic system. Deep within the brain's intricate architecture lies the limbic system, a powerful assembly of interconnected structures, including the amygdala and hippocampus. This emotional powerhouse is the conductor of our feelings, memories, and desires, shaping the very essence of our being. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure, acts as the brain's emotional sentinel. It rapidly assesses incoming stimuli for potential threats and triggers swift responses like fear, anger, or joy. It is why we instinctively recoil from danger or even feel a surge of happiness at a loved one's smile. Meanwhile, the hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure, plays a crucial role in memory formation and retrieval. It is the archivist of our experiences, weaving together the threads of our past into a cohesive narrative. The hippocampus also helps us navigate our environment, creating mental maps that guide our movements. Together, the amygdala, hippocampus, and other limbic structures orchestrate the complex symphony of our emotions. They infuse our lives with passion, drive, and purpose, adding depth and intensity to our experiences. Whether it is the exhilaration of a new adventure or the warmth of a cherished memory, the limbic system ensures that our lives are not merely lived but deeply felt. The third pillar that captures the essence of the brain's symphony, orchestrating thought, feeling, and action, the conductor's baton, is the choreographer of movement, the motor cortex. Within the intricate landscape of the human brain resides a remarkable conductor of movement, the motor cortex. This dynamic region bridges thought and action, translating our intentions into purposeful movements that propel us through the world. Imagine the motor cortex as a skilled choreographer, meticulously orchestrating a symphony of muscle contractions and relaxations. It receives signal from other brain regions, deciphering our desires to reach, grasp, walk, or dance. With lightning speed, it transmits commands down the spinal cord, activating the precise muscles needed to execute each movement. But the motor cortex is not just a command center. It is a learning machine. It constantly refines and adapts our movements based on sensory feedback and experience. This is why we can learn new skills, improve coordination, and recover from injuries. The motor cortex is also why we can effortlessly perform everyday tasks like brushing our teeth or tying our shoes, and master complex movements like playing a musical instrument or performing a surgical procedure. This remarkable brain region is the choreographer of our lives, guiding our bodies through a graceful dance of movement. It allows us to express ourselves, interact with the world, and achieve our goals. With every step we take and every gesture we make, the motor cortex works, ensuring that our bodies move harmoniously with our intentions. The next pillar that captures the essence of the brain's symphony, orchestrating thought, feeling, and action. The conductor's baton is a symphony. Imagine the brain as a vast, bustling metropolis where billions of neurons act as individual citizens, each with a unique role. These neurons are connected to trillions of synapses, forming a complex network of roads and highways that crisscross the cityscape. This intricate neural network is the foundation of the brain symphony, the wiring that allows different regions to communicate and collaborate in real time. Like the bustling traffic of a city, electrical impulses flow through this network, carrying messages from one neuron to another. This constant communication enables the brain to process information, form memories, generate emotions, and initiate actions. It is why we can recognize a loved one's face, recall a childhood memory, feel the warmth of a hug, or execute a complex dance routine. The neural network is not static. It constantly evolves and adapts. New connections are formed, old ones are pruned, and the strength of existing connections is modified based on our experiences and learning. This dynamic network allows us to learn new skills, adapt to changing environments, and shape our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. The symphony's intricate dance of connectivity gives rise to the rich tapestry of human experience. The fifth plasticity city, a pillar, captures the essence of the brain symphony, constructing thought, feeling, and action. The conductor's baton is the brain's adaptability. Imagine the brain as a symphony orchestra, constantly adapting and evolving its repertoire. This remarkable ability to reorganize and forge new connections, known as neuroplasticity, is the key to its enduring brilliance. Like a skilled composer revising a score, the brain can rewire its neural pathways, strengthening existing connections and establishing new ones in response to learning, experience, and injury. This dynamic process is essential for acquiring new knowledge, mastering skills, and forming lasting memories. It is why we can learn a new language, play a musical instrument, or adapt to a new environment. Neuroplasticity is also crucial for recovery from brain injuries and neurological disorders, as the brain can reroute signals around damaged areas and create new pathways to compensate for lost function. Think of it as the symphony's ability to improvise and adapt to the changing needs and demands of the performance. This adaptability allows the brain to remain flexible, resilient, and capable of growth throughout our lives. Whether we are learning to walk as toddlers or mastering a new skill as adults, neuroplasticity is the conductor that orchestrates our brain symphony of growth and change, ensuring that it remains a vibrant and dynamic masterpiece. The next pillar that capture the essence of the brain symphony, orchestrating thought, feeling, and action, conductor's baton is the chemical messengers, neurotransmitters. In the intricate symphony of the brain, neurotransmitters are the nimble messengers that dart between neurons, delivering crucial signals that shape our thoughts, emotions, and actions. These microscopic molecules, including the renowned trio of dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine, act as the chemical couriers of the nervous system, ensuring that the symphony plays on in perfect harmony. Dopamine, often dubbed the feel-good neurotransmitter, is associated with reward, motivation, and pleasure. It's the exhilarating rush we experience after achieving a goal or anticipating a delicious meal. Conversely, serotonin stabilizes mood, promoting calmness, contentment, and well-being. It is the gentle hum of a summer afternoon, the tranquility of a quiet mind. Norepinephrine, the alert neurotransmitter, is responsible for our fight or flight response. It shapes our focus and boosts our energy levels in the face of challenges. The adrenaline rush propels us forward when we must act quickly or overcome obstacles. These neurotransmitters and countless others form a complex chemical orchestra, each uniquely shaping our mental and emotional landscape. They influence our mood, regulate our attention, and modulate our energy levels, ensuring that the symphony of our lives plays on vibrancy and vitality. The brain, a masterpiece of nature, doesn't operate in a vacuum. It is a dynamic, interconnected part of a more extensive system, our body. This intricate mind-body connection is a two-way street, a continuous exchange of information that shapes our physical health, emotional well-being, and overall resilience. Consider it a symphony where the brain acts as the conductor, but every instrument, every cell in our body plays a crucial role. The brain sends signals to our organs, muscles, and tissues, regulating everything from heart rate and digestion to immune response and hormone production. In turn, our body sends signals back to the brain, providing feedback on our physical state and influencing our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This harmonious interplay is essential for maintaining balance and well-being. When our mind is stressed, our body reacts with tension, fatigue, and illness. Conversely, physical ailments can trigger anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. By recognizing and nurturing this connection, we can unlock the symphony's full potential, creating a harmonious melody of health, happiness, and resilience. It is about acknowledging that we are not just minds or bodies, but integrated beings, where every thought, feeling, and action resonates throughout our entire being. Imagine the human body as a symphony orchestra with the brain as the conductor. Every instrument, muscle, and organ plays a vital role in creating a harmonious melody. This intricate interplay between the brain and body is not a one-way street, but a dynamic dialogue that shapes our physical health, emotional well-being, and overall resilience. As the conductor, the brain sends signals throughout the body, directing everything from our heartbeat to digestion. It influences our immune response, hormone levels, and sleep patterns. But the body also communicates to the brain, providing feedback on our physical state and influencing our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. The seventh pillar that captures the essence of the brain symphony, orchestrating thought, feeling, and action. The conductor's baton is the mind-body connection. The brain, a marvel of complexity, is not an isolated entity, but an integral part of a more extensive, interconnected system, our body. This intricate dance between the mind and body, known as mind-body connection, is a dynamic interplay that shapes our overall well-being. It is a symphony of interconnectedness, where every note and signal reverberates. Imagine the brain as the conductor of this symphony, orchestrating a harmonious flow of information between the mind and body. It sends signals that regulate our heartbeat, digestion, immune response, and countless other bodily functions. In turn, the body communicates to the brain, providing feedback on our physical state and influencing our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This delicate dance is essential for maintaining balance and resilience. When the mind experiences stress or anxiety, the body responds with physical manifestations like tension, fatigue, and even illness. Conversely, physical ailments can trigger a cascade of negative emotions leading to depression, anxiety, and other mental health challenges. Recognizing and nurturing the mind-body connection can help us better understand our health and well-being. It is about acknowledging that we are not just minds or bodies, but integrated beings, where every thought, feeling, and action reverberates throughout our system. We can cultivate a harmonious symphony of health, happiness, and resilience by fostering this intricate dance. We empower ourselves to achieve optimal health and well-being by recognizing and nurturing this intricate connection. It is about understanding that we are not just minds or bodies, but integrated beings, where every thought, feeling, and action resonates throughout our system. Turning this into harmonious interplay can unlock the symphony's full potential, creating a vibrant melody of health, happiness, and resilience. These 7 pillars provide a framework for understanding the complex and harmonious symphony of the human brain. We can gain a deeper appreciation of the intricate mechanisms that shape our thoughts, emotions, and actions by exploring each pillar in depth. As we conclude our exploration of the Brain Symphony, we stand in awe of the human brain's intricate beauty and boundless potential. We have witnessed the harmonious interplay of thought, feeling, and action orchestrated by a symphony of neural activity, from the rational melodies of the prefrontal cortex to the emotional crescendos of the limbic system and the graceful movements choreographed by the motor cortex. Each region plays a vital role in the grand composition of our lives. Our journey has revealed the brain's remarkable capacity for adaptation, learning, and creativity. It is an organ that thrives on challenges and constantly seeks new connections and experiences. By understanding the Brain Symphony, we gain insight into the complexities of human behavior, the power of emotions, and the potential for personal growth. The exploration of the Brain Symphony is far from over. Discoveries and technologies are constantly expanding our understanding of this extraordinary organ. As we decipher its secrets, we unlock new possibilities for healing, enhancing cognitive function, and enriching our lives. The Brain Symphony is a testament to the boundless potential of the human spirit and our ability to think, feel, and act in ways that shape our world and define our humanity. This is Dr. Masasekani Misha Kosa, Director of Fresh Thinking School of Brain Science. We thank you for coming around. Thank you.